So I have installed the Floodstop FS3 4H90. It's a unit that helps prevent flooding after your washing machine leaks, and so it'll automatically turn off your water supply. I've installed the unit. One blink means that the valves are open, meaning the water pressure is there and the water is flowing. And it's connected to the sensor, and so we're going to do a test to see if this actually works. So I'm going to turn on the washing machine and see the water run, and then I'm going to drip a little bit of water onto the sensor to see if this actually stops. So let's get started. So I'm going to turn on my washer. I'm going to check to make sure that there's no leaks in the back. Almost, Nate. Okay, there's no leaks at the, and you see the water rushing. So now I have some water that I'm going to put onto this sensor, and let's see what happens. I have a straw with some water, and I drop some water. You see a sensor, and
no more.
That's right, Nate, and there's no more water. So it looks like it seems to work.